So my name's Hannah Booth, and I'm one of the 3 co-founders of Booths by the Bridge, which is a brand new cafe based in Meath. So we purchased the building in January 2024, and that month then, after purchasing, we heard that there was a Let's Talk Business event on. We went along just wondering kind of what support might be out there at that time. And we were really overwhelmed actually when we went to the event to see how much support there was available at that time. After the event, we came away and kind of looked at all of the support that was available to us through the Shared Prosperity Fund and put the applications in. We had support from the economic development team in terms of what needed to go in the application. It's a little daunting at first, but they kind of talked us through everything, which was great. And yeah, we were lucky enough to be successful and receive the support. So as a result of the funding, the budget that we had was able to stretch double as further because of the match funding that was available to us. So it meant that we were able to kind of invest in the building, do sort of more protection for the building, I guess, to make this kind of historic building last for more generations to come. So we used the funding towards things like equipment. We took it right back to bone because it needed a lot of TLC. So the funding helped us with that aspect of it as well. We've made a kind of lovely outdoor space for the community that we want to come and enjoy. In terms of our location, we're really well situated along beautiful canal walks. We're looking at the Aberdulais aqueduct, which is a really historic part of Meath. The canal's never been so busy. People kind of walking up from Meath to grab a coffee and make use of the new cycle paths along the canal. We've had a pretty much dream start. We never knew kind of how things would go when we opened the doors. It's all completely brand new to us. But we've been fortunate enough to have amazing support from the community, which has allowed us to hire over 15 people now just within our first 2 months, which is crazy to us. And it was always important for us to work collaboratively with other local businesses as well. During our first week open, a lovely lady called Rachel of Baked by Jones Cakes dropped some samples in for us, and she came absolutely to our rescue. She was our hero because we were inundated on our first weekend and did not have enough cakes or the capacity to get everything done for the customers that were coming in. So she flew into the rescue and has been amazing. And we've also had Disco Dough, which is a traditional kind of Neapolitan pizza company, pop up in our car park as well. So that's another kind of aspect of local employment that has come as a direct result of the funding for this business. So yeah, it's great that so many other businesses are benefiting from the knock-on effect of it.